students, good morning. Welcome to online maths class for 8th standard. Chapter number 4. Exercise 4.2. Before going to the exercise, example sum 4.12. A water heater is sold by a trader for rupees 10,502 including GST at 18%. Find the mark price of the water heater and GST. Here, mark price, we don't know the mark price. Mark price be X. Mark price be X. So, mark price plus GST. That is GST means 18% means 18 divided by 100 into mark price. Which is equal to sold price, that is this is 10,502. 100 into x, 100x plus 18x, 118x divided by 100, which is equal to 10,502. So you have to find the value of x. X is equal to 10,502. This value transfers to right side means it get reciprocal. 100 divided by 118. In this 118th table, this is 89 times. 89 into 100, 8,900. 89 into 100, 8,900. Mark price X is equal to 88,900. And then you have to find the GST. That is sold price minus selling price minus GST. Sold price minus mark price. Sold price minus mark price, which is equal to GST. We get that is 10,502 minus 8,900. So when you are subtracting, we get 1,602. Next sum, example 4.13. A family went to hotel and spent rupees 350 for food and paid extra 5% as GST. Calculate the CGST and SGST. C means central GST, and S means state GST. So in hotel at all, it's they collecting CGST and SGST. So it's equally divided into 2. The cost of food is 350. Extra 5% paid as a GST is equally shared by central and state government. That is 5% means 2.5. 350 into 2.5 divided by 100. So use this 0 and this 0 get cancelled. And then this and this. So when you are cancelling, or 35 into 25. 35 into 25, we get 875. Here we have a 0. So 2 digits. Here we have a zeros. 2 digit means 8.75. Rupees 8.75. Next exercise 4.2. Exercise 4.2. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. Loss or gain percentage is always only calculated on cost price. Next, second subdivision. A mobile phone is sold for rupees 8,400 at gain of 20%. The cost price of the mobile phone is Let the cost price of mobile phone be X. Here given selling price. And gain percentage. Selling price is equal to 100 plus gain percentage divided by 100 into cost price. If it is a loss means minus 100 minus loss percentage divided by 100 into CP. This is the formula, right? And then here asking again. So selling price is equal to 8,400, which is equal to 100 plus gain percentage is 20. That is 20 divided by 100. Here cost price is, we don't know that, unvalue, that is X. And then here 100 plus 20, 120 divided by 100 into X. X is equal to, so this transfers to left side means it get reciprocal. 8,400 into 100 divided by 120. 0, 0 get cancelled. Using 12th table, this is 7 times and 700. 700 into 10, 7,000. Our answer is 7,000. Our answer is 7,000. Next subdivision, an article is sold for rupees 555 at a loss of 7.5 percentage, that is 7 by 2 percentage. The cost price of an article is, what is the cost price of an article? Here sold price is given, loss percentage already I tell, that is 100 minus loss percentage divided by 100 into CP. We substitute the values. The loss percentage, that is 7, 1 by 2, it's nothing but 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 1, 15, 15 by 2 into CP, that is we know only a selling price, that is 555 equal to 100 minus 15 divided by 2 divided by 100 into CP. Here 100 into 2, here you have to take LCM. 100 into 2, 200. 200 minus 15 divided by 2 whole divided by 100 into CP. So this one change to, here when you are subtracting this 185 divided by 2, 185 divided by 2. This everything transfers to left side means it get reciprocal. That is 555 into 100 divided by 185 divided by 2. Here this 2 change to numerator. Here this is the second denominator, so change to numerator. So using 185 into 3 we get 555. So using cancellation, this is 3 times. 3 into 100, 300. 300 into 2, 600. 3 2s are 6, 600. Our answer is 600. Next, fourth subdivision, a mixer grinder marked at rupees 4,500 is sold for rupees 4,140 after discount. The rate of discount is, so mark price is given and mark price and sold price is also given. Using this discount formula, discount is equal to mark price minus mark price minus sold, that is sold price minus marked price. So when you are subtracting this we get 360. From this a discount percentage, you have to find the discount percentage, that is the discount divided by mark price into 100. 0 0 get cancelled and 0 0 get cancelled. Here also 0 and 0 get cancelled. Here 2 zeros get cancelled. Here 45 and here 36. These two in 3 table. This is 15 times. This one is 12 times and 0 is there, so 120. Again using third table, this is 5 times and this one is 40 times. Again fifth table, 8 times. Our answer is 8%. Our answer is 8%. Next, fifth subdivision, a total bill amount of a shirt costing rupees 575 and t-shirt costing rupees 325 with GST of 5% is dash. the cost price of shirt is equal to 575. So here the GST is 5%. Here 5%. What is the cost price of the shirt? You have to find the cost price of the shirt. Here formula 100 plus GST percentage divided by 100 into cost price. Here cost price is given. Cost price, what is cost price? 5. What is cost price? 575 into 100 plus 5. 105 divided by 100. Here using cancellation, this is 21 times, this is 20 times. Again this and this cancel, we get totally 603.75. 603.75. And then 603. Next one is here cost rupees is given, that is t-shirt cost 325. Again using substitution, GST is equal to 5%, cost price is 325. Here 105 divided by, it's again 21 by 20. Again using cancellation, we get 341.25. Adding this, we get 945. Total bill amount is 945. Question number 2. If the selling an article for rupees 820 causes 10% loss on the selling price, then find its cost price. Using formula, selling price is equal to cost price into 100 minus loss percentage divided by 100. Here loss is 10, so 100 minus 10, 90. 90 divided by 100. Here selling price only given, that is selling price is 820. 820 is equal to cost price into 90 divided by 100. 90 divided by 100. 0, 0 get cancelled. This transfers to this side means 820 into 10 divided by 9. 10 divided by 9. Using ninth table, this is using ninth table, this one is 9 nines are 81, remainder 1. 1 9 is 9, again remainder 1. This here remainder 1. From the 1 means 10, it get again 1 9 is 9, it's so on. So 0.111 is going on. So our answer is 911. Our answer is 911. That is the cost price. Next question number 3. If the profit earned on selling an article for rupees 810 is same as the loss on selling it for rupees 530, then find the cost price of the article. Here given, what is given? Profit is equal to, here profit is equal to 810 minus, so profit, what is profit? Selling price minus cost price. What is selling price here? 810. 810 minus cost price. 810 minus cost price is equal to what is given? Cost price is equal to, loss is equal to, what is loss? CP minus SP. CP minus, here SP is 530. It's equal, here given is same as, equal, which is equal to. This transfers to this side means 2CP, and this transfers to this side means it get plus. So that is 810 plus 530. We get 1340. It's get divided by 2 means divided by 2. 6 times 6 2s are 12, remainder 1, 7 2s are 14 and 0. 670. Cost price is equal to 670. Next question number 4. If the selling price of 10 ruler is same as the selling price means sold price. Cost price means buying. So what is buying? buying 15 rulers, totally buying 15 rulers, that is buying is x, consider as x, 15 rulers is same as the 10 ruler selling price, 10 ruler that is sold is same as the 10 ruler. Here given, that is selling price of 10 ruler is, it's nothing but 15x, nothing but 15x. Selling price of 1 ruler is 15x divided by 10, we get 1.5x, 1.5x. You have to find gain. You have to find the gain percentage or profit percentage. Profit percentage. Before finding the profit percentage, you have to find the profit. So, profit means selling price minus cost price. Here selling price is 1.5x minus here cost price is x. So, when you are subtracting this, we get 0.5x. You have to find the percentage. So, 0.5x divided by here cost price is x. So, divided by x into 100. X get cancelled. We get 0.5 into 100 is nothing but 50 percentage. It's nothing but a 50 percentage. I think so you're all understood. If you have a doubt and clarify the classworks or again repeat this video, right? And then you should revise all the sums and do home test in your home and be safe in your home. Thank you, children.